Tim, MJ Allen, you've got your foundry and your machine shop. I think what showcases it perfectly is this component here. Can you just tell me more about it, please?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a grey iron casting made in our foundry at Ashford, and we also machine this part as well. The customer is in Holland, so it's an export job, which obviously is very pleasing. Casting weighs just shy of a tonne, and it's used in pelletizing machines, so they put wood dust in and squeeze wooden pellets out for power generation.
Okay, so how does it start off then? They come to you with a design, or?
Yeah, so in this particular instance they came to us with a design. It was an existing job, but they were looking for another supplier. So we get a drawing and we'll quote from that drawing. We produce pattern equipment that we then use in the foundry to make the sand moulds. And into the sand moulds we pour our molten metal to create the casting.
So in this instance, though, it's a sand mould,
Yeah.
not the gravity fed.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a sand produced mould into which we produce the casting. We will pour the molten metal into like a 3D jigsaw puzzle of sand pieces. That's how we produce our sand mould.
And the material we said was iron.
Yeah, this is a grey iron, yeah, so it's a grey flake iron. We do a whole range of irons. We do ductile irons as well, an iron that will bend, whereas this is more of a sort of a damping type iron, so you've got lots of machinery whirring around in here, you don't want it ringing like a bell, so grey iron is good for that kind of application.
Okay, so you mentioned irons. What other materials? Brasses, aluminiums?
Yeah, we do ductile irons, we do a whole range of aluminiums, and we do bronzes as well. So we can cast a gross weight about 3 tonnes in iron, gross weight in aluminium, and bronze of about a tonne.
Okay, so some pretty big castings there. So this comes out of your foundry onto what machine?
Yeah, this goes into our machine shop onto a Doosan horizontal machining centre at 1250. We have a couple of setups. We'll machine the top and the bottom on one pallet, twin pallet machine, and then stand it up on its end to do the boring and to finish the job off.
So normally we're looking sort of smaller components. If they're done on a 5-axis, it might be 1-op, 2-op. So this is only 2-ops, though?
This is 2 setups, and obviously we spin the pallet around, but it's 2 setups on the machine.
Yeah. So facing, drilling, tapping, and flipping great bore here as well.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we've got some good boring machines. Keep it nice and accurate, and it's a good sturdy machine, that Doosan. The sort of work that we're doing is it needs a bit of grunt.
Yeah, so Doosan, really powerful machine.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they last well. Good, reliable, solid workhorses.
Excellent. So, Tim, just really showcasing what you can do at MJ Allen Foundry Machine Shop. Thank you very much.
No, you're welcome. It's good to see you.